Hello everyone, everything good? Welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to welcome you here. Let's talk a little about this error. When you, a non-technician, come across this code, first of all, stay calm. The error may disappear on its own since, as we saw in the manual, it is an automatic defrost function. If the condenser coil, the external unit, is frozen, the system will trigger the error, start the defrost process, and then the error should disappear with the system returning to normal. Now, let's imagine that the error persists for a while. In this case, what can you do, even if you are not a technician? Take a look at the external condenser and check if the coil, which is that copper tube inside the equipment, is frozen. If there is a visible layer of ice, this means that the sensor is working, but the equipment is actually experiencing freezing. In this case, it is not a sensor problem, but rather related to the gas flow. Either the gas quantity is low or there is an obstruction in the coil, causing the freezing. In this scenario, what you should do is call a technician to check the pressures and the amount of gas. If there was a leak and the gas escaped, the insufficient amount of gas could cause the coil to freeze. The technician should check this. Now, if you are a technician and you have come across this problem, what should you do? First, check the capillary to make sure it is not obstructed. It is also important to check the condenser temperature sensors, both the one near the grid and the immersion sensor in the coil, to make sure they are all working properly. Then, check if there is any obstruction in the coil and if the gas is leaving the compressor properly, measuring the compressor outlet pressures and ensuring that the gas flow is normal. Also check if the pressures are correct according to the manufacturer's manual. The type of gas used in this equipment, if I'm not mistaken, is R410, so make sure that this is the gas used and that the pressures are correct. If everything is in order but the error keeps appearing and there is freezing, it may be a problem with the control board. Maybe the sensor is sending the signal, but the board is not recognizing it correctly. In this case, it may be necessary to check the board, but this would be a last resort. I hope this video helped. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll wait for you in the next video. See you soon.